So I've just measured up a template, marked it up, so I'm going to drill 4 holes and then cut, so it should be right. Oh, James.
Oh yeah, well, oh, you're inside, you man. It's right up that, isn't it?
It is. It is when you're up here. I'm not going to...
I didn't get up.
There's a ladder on the back.
Oh, look at that.
So...
But it's been more secure than the old one.
Yeah.
But the old one didn't feel as strong as...
No, this... You know, I've just done some stuff inside, put some expanding foaming gaps to leave to dry now.
Brilliant.
And I thought, fuck it, I've got to cut through the roof at some stage.
Yeah, you get it done now, mate. Just get it done.
If it's wrong, it's wrong, I'm fucked.
Yeah, we'll glue it back on like we did last one. Maybe shoot of alloy off
It should be alright, because I read the measurements,
yeah.
I made a template.
Oh, that's the best thing you can do, mate.
So I've taped around the template.
Yeah.
So I'm cutting on the inside edge of the template.
Yeah.
So I can file it down to make it fit.
Brilliant.
That should be the plan.
Excellent, well, fingers crossed, like I say. I'll be popping back in a bit, so I'll probably see you out doing your van stuff.
Yeah. Alright, mate.
Right, see you in a bit, bro.
See you later, mate. Take care. See you. James!
Yeah.
I did it!
Oh, you still have, yes.
How do you like the sunroof in the morning? I like mine. Well, I don't even know where I'm going with this song, but how you doing? Done. So that is one roof vent excuse me, fitted. So I'm not going to do the second one until the solar panel arrive and I fit the solar panel onto the roof, and I can fit the second roof vent from there. But hopefully that should be alright. I'll check it again in the next few days and just see how it goes. So that's one roof vent fitted. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, leave us some love, say hello to Archie as well in your comments. He misses you all, and we'll see you on the next video soon. Bye bye.